Coolie gang. I know your boy ain't been around in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Been moving and grooving, trying to do what I do. You know what time it is, man. But hey, man, it was mandatory. I cut that young camera on this time for y'all and get this footage, because I know y'all all mopar junkies, y'all all speed junkies. We all in the power, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, summer here, so it's mega lit, man. You know what time it is, man. So I'm sitting in the office and I literally got a bop on out here because we just got a nasty package in. You feel me? And I'm overly excited for it. So I want y'all to be overly excited for it. And man, I need y'all to, matter of fact, before I even go ahead and show y'all what it is, you know what I'm saying? Because it is a juicy piece of machine. I mean, it's just there, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know how to describe it, you know what I'm saying? It's just one thing over there that just be twisting, you know what I'm saying? Another thing that be twisting, a bunch of whole lot of little pipes, you know what I'm saying? Do y'all getting the configuration of what I'm talking about yet? No? Well, all right, let's go ahead and get to it and show y'all what I'm talking about, because if y'all ain't comment right in the comment section, then y'all still don't know what I'm talking about. And I know my vocabulary ain't all the way there, all the way, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of different ways of explaining stuff, you know what I'm saying? But man, I had to bop out and show y'all this right here, man. Whew. Oh, don't run, gang. Don't run. But man, listen here. The kit came in, and I'm just gonna be done talking and let y'all just look at it, because I'm just staring at it right now. Like, I mean, it's like Christmas in spring or fall or whatever, summer. I don't know what season it is. Brain ain't even working right now because I'm just in awe of this, you know what I'm saying? This kit is just insane, man. But I'm done talking. I just want to go ahead and show y'all what it is. And yeah, y'all take a guess as to what is going on. That's what I want y'all to do. Who know what this is? Who know what this is? Ooh, two of them demonstrations. Ooh, one, yes sir. Two, yes sir. And a bunch of pipes, man. So y'all see it, and y'all done heard that twin turbo kit is in. Which car is it going on is the question. Which car? Which car is it going on, yours, sir? I got you. Which car though, gang? Y'all see it's a bunch of them out here, man. So if y'all real true to the gang and everything, y'all know we done talked about this kit coming in and that it was going on a vehicle. So I want to know if y'all real true coolie gang, and if y'all rocking with SATERA movement, man. Drop in the comment section right now and tell me what this twin turbo kit going on. You feel me? Tell your boy what this twin turbo kit going on, man. But you say what happened? Oh, it's paid for. It's here. It's paid for. It's paid for. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if you're ready for two of them things on there. You know what I'm saying? You might need a couple more cylinders to twist them things. Yeah. But y'all see it, man. I mean, the craftsmanship is overly there. You know what I'm saying? It's just there. I'm thirsty. I'm overly thirsty, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and spill the beans and let y'all know what it is, because if y'all true to the game, y'all already know we done talked about it in a minute, and the stuff been on order. So yeah, first compound boost charger Redeye is in the making, y'all. We literally about to get this thing hot and spicy, you know what I'm saying? We ain't wasting no time. Car's about to get pulled out, boss man whip about to get pulled in, and wrench is about to get turned. Y'all know what time it is, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little shop tour while we in here moving and grooving. You know, y'all already know who that is. Yes, sir, the keyboard expert, the owner, tuner. Yeah, that's him right there, Jay. Yes, sir. And y'all know, over here saucing down another Hawk. Over here saucing down another Hawk. And y'all ain't even know, you feel me? We do the detailing and stuff too, you know? Getting it on glass. What we got going on? Just wiping them on down, getting them wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi style? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see them, boy. And they do it waterless too. You know, y'all gotta actually be here to see it, you know what I'm saying? All in motion. Like this little thing, glass pack that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it do a bunch of them. But y'all see, man, if y'all car is here and y'all do want it, you know what I'm saying, detailed, we do offer that service for y'all too as well, you know what I'm saying? Buffing, full ceramic coating, y'all just let us know what it is you want. We'll get you together. You want to go fast and look good? Ha! SATERA. Yes, sir. is the place, man. How you here, leaving with all the horsepower and looking good. That means when you come pick your car up, you might as well go ahead and get dressed because it's an act bad type of day when you come pick up your whip from SATERA, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. This demonstration getting glassed up, and y'all know about Joe's already. So let me go ahead and bop on over here and show y'all Joe's, because we do got a track rental popping up too. So I want y'all to be on the lookout for that. July 9th, this demonstration gonna get turned up. And all y'all that was talking crap about it at the last rental, you know what I'm saying? Hey, twin turbos, hell, god damn, twin turbos, duh. How many damn turbos we finna have at the track rental, you know what I'm saying? With the SATERA. That's on there, boy. It's just out of control, boy. Your boy definitely wants some turbos too in his life, man. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. It's just a whole different type of feeling, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Working the little bugs out of this thing should be nice and spicy for the rental. Gonna add a chiller to this demonstration to monitor them IATs and then crank the boost up. Full send. Y'all know what time it is. We ain't scared. Ooh, we got SRT life in this demonstration too. Don't get it twisted. We got SRT life in here too. You know, getting that SATERA sauce. And yeah, y'all know we the home of the Mopars and turbos. I don't care what nobody say. We the home of Mopars and turbos, man. Let's, hold on. Mr. Organic Home, let me, this one a little easy to find, you know, she a little wide open, so I ain't gotta fimble and nibble and do all that extra stuff. But, oh, the turbo gone. Okay, I thought the turbo was mounted. Thought the turbo was mounted, y'all. Took it off though, so. But y'all see, turbo demonstration. Y'all already remember this 1300 to the wheel. Powerful monster, you know what I'm saying? Kitty Bell demonstration. It's just so many whips in here, man. Yeah, get it together, man. Get your wrenches out, cause it's going down. Might get y'all that young time lapse of them turning a couple wrenches and everything, but y'all just gotta stay tuned to everything. And I know y'all been missing Hellcat too in action, so let's go ahead and show y'all her too one time. She a little dirty right now. But we ain't worried about the dirtiness, you know what I'm saying? Speed knock dirt off, so that's why we ain't stunning car washes, you know what I'm saying? But after we go ahead and collect that money from y'all, we definitely gonna go ahead and holler at my boy Matt and have him go ahead ceramic coat and do all that good stuff, you feel me? But yeah, y'all see it. Yes, sir. Hawkeye, whew, she don't even know what she in store for. She just don't know what she in store for yet. You literally about to get transformed so crazy. We gonna pull you over here, put you on in there, and then put 2 snails on you and change your whole aspect of life. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so y'all just stay tuned to this whole vlog, and y'all already know if this is your first time checking me out, what to go ahead and do right now. Help your boy out, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that notification bell on, you know what I'm saying? So y'all don't miss a video, because, hey, who knows when Cooley dropping a video? The camera get picked up random, man, and I'm gonna drop it when it's on. So y'all stay tuned. Let's go. Let y'all go ahead and hail one time before them turbos get on, because that sound definitely gonna change. Whew. That booty's so fat on there, boy. The booty is just so fat on the wide body. She thick. She thick. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me move around over here one time. Let me move around, because we got a lot of organization going on, but I just wanted to show y'all it and let y'all head too, man. 900 package too, just so y'all know, you know what I'm saying? He gonna be acting mega bad. Pro charge demonstration, you know what I'm saying? 900 horsepower package demonstration. Turbo car over there. Look, bro, stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. It is overpowered around here. But yeah, let's get that sound one more time. Let's get that young sound on her. Everything cackling. Everything is cackling. Okay. Okay. Yeah, man. It's on and popping, y'all. Oh, man, gang. Gotta get this young fire up at this demonstration. What do we have here? She fired up and running on her own cylinder and power. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy, listen here. This thing is ready. You know what I'm talking about? Like mega ready. You feel me? Like track rental tomorrow is about to be bussin'. You feel me? big busting, bro. We got 2 twin turbo demonstrations that we planning on unleashing, and y'all already know boss man stuff, compound boost, helium twin turbo kit is mounted, is bolted. Y'all see the car is started and rolling on its own wheels, so y'all know what type of time we on, man. And Joe got his demonstration ready. Let's get this big booty demonstration on here one time for the one time. Let's get that big booty on there one time for the one time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice and wide and fat. Don't she sound different, gang? Don't she sound different? Now this look like your car now, boss man. This more like your car now. You feel me? You feel me? Woo. Wait till he turn that wheel. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. Wait till he turn that wheel. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. Ah! I can't keep showing them this. I can't keep showing them this. Yes, sir. Y'all looking at a compound boost Redeye Charger built by us. Yes, sir. SATERA tuning. Y'all know what time it is. Yes, sir. Strapping this demonstration up, and the rental is hot and spicy for tomorrow. Woo-wee. Who ready to have them turbos sing? Who ready to have them turbos sing? Who? Drop in the comment section with a big thumbs up right now if y'all ready to have this thing cut loose on the straps, man. Y'all know about to get this thing hot and ready. Logan strapping up. We got 2 low working over the ABS. We got boss man on the laptop. Y'all see Joe and Turo doing their thing on the other one, man. So yes, sir. Let's walk over here one time, cause he just got that chiller put in this demonstration. Woo. Getting right. Y'all be expecting these 2 at the Young Rental tomorrow. Y'all see Hawkeye. How you doing, girl? I gotta talk to y'all about Hawkeye too, gang. So y'all just stay tuned for that video. I gotta talk to y'all about Hawkeye, gang. But yeah, hips. You going to that rental tomorrow, boy?
I'm owning that rental tomorrow.
Ooh, say it. Don't say it whispering now. Say it loud so we can hear.
Mine.
We don't want to have to cut the volume up to hear what you just said now. Say it again with your chest.
I said girls getting gas.
Ooh. We got us a little in-shop battle thing going on right now too, just so y'all know. So hopefully that kick off tomorrow at the rental. You know, Logan and Joe been talking shit to each other back and forth, you know what I'm saying? So somebody getting gapped tomorrow. Y'all got to drop in the comment section and let me know who y'all think is going to be the twin turbo demonstration, which y'all see it right there. Yes, sir. And y'all know Logan got the young Supers outside right now, and I ain't about to walk back out there right now and all that, but yeah. She got a lot of boost, gang. She got a lot of boost. I don't know which one to operate, the twin turbo, the supercharger, both. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But we about to have them both activated. Yes, sir. And y'all see how she's shining too. Yeah, ceramic coated by Sarah Tuner. Detailing, yeah, we offer that too. So y'all come on, get y'all stuff ceramic coated, buffed, and leaving with performance. Yeah, one-stop shop. Let's make it happen. But once this thing get hot and spicy on the rollers, I shall cut the camera back on for you guys, and we gonna have this thing go woo, 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 woo. Y'all know the sound. Let's get it. Boy, listen, your boy had headphones on and still was turning. Hey! How's the flames? Woo, I saw it. Yeah, send that to me. Ooh. Flamethrower, you know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. First hit, I ain't gonna show y'all no numbers. Maybe I am. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Yeah, first hit. That was literally, god damn, the torque out the roof. Woo. Yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned right now. That was literally first hit, baseline run and everything like that. So go ahead and add that sauce to it, then I'll go ahead and show y'all some dyno numbers. But I had to get y'all that young tease on that pull. God damn, that thing sounded crazy. I think this time I might not even wear the headphones. I need to get the full effect of that. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Woo!